So I gave 5 sessions, all on the theme of machine learning. So that's using computers, software to learn patterns in scientific data.
I had 2 talks at this school. One was a general Python library overview and Python language overview. The second one was about the programming language Julia, which is a quite new programming language for scientific computing. And I had 2 lessons, one on NumPy, and the other lesson was a combination of pandas and matplotlib. So how to use pandas to read in your data, format your data, group and join your data, and things like this. And matplotlib also, of course, for visualizations, because it's for Python at least one of the most important things to visualize things.
I gave 2 tutorials. The first one was on debugging and profiling Python code. So how to find the issues with your program if you get an error or the result is incorrect, and profiling is about how you can find out where your program is slow or why it takes up too much memory. And then I gave a second tutorial on AstroPy, which is the core package for astronomers in Python.
The level of interaction with the school participants was very distinct. I liked the fact that I could talk to beginners and solve their basic problems, and also to talk to other experts and have some input from them on my problem.
Also, you had a very diverse range of people, from doing hardware, like working on maybe on cameras or detectors, and then on data processing pipelines, or scientists that work on astrophysics theory or measurements. So this made for a very interesting mix of discussions. Like sometimes you talk to someone and they didn't know what a variable is, and then sometimes you talk to absolute experts and learn new things.
I really liked how the students were selected. So they really represent a broad, a very diverse group, both geographically, where they're coming from, but also in their scientific interests.
I like the mountains here, so this is a really great place to be inspired and to relax. And I think this is a good basis for heavy stuff like this.
I enjoyed and learned new things in most of the lectures and hands-on sessions. But I mean, to pick one thing that stands out, it's really the conversations I had with colleagues and meeting new people.